Namaste. I am Dr. Bhavana Bengare, Ayurveda and Yoga expert, Pune. I am practicing Ayurveda since 2008 and treating my patients who have different ailments like hypertension, diabetes, women health disorders, gastrointestinal tract diseases, psychosomatic diseases with the healing touch of Ayurveda and Yoga. Being passionate about Ayurveda and Yoga and all aimed at physical as well as psychological well-being of my patients, I do their consultations with traditional Ayurveda principle along with modern scientific approach. I guide my patients with diet and lifestyle changes, pranayama, therapeutic yoga. I do give medico-yogic consultations to my patients who are suffering from musculoskeletal disorders like osteoarthritis of knee, lumbar spondylosis, cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulder, ankylosing spondylitis. I do conduct corporate yoga sessions and give yoga sessions to kids and senior citizens too. We at our Yoga Teach Training Institute conduct yoga teacher training course, which is a certified course, and many of my students who have completed this course are successfully practicing yoga. They are giving yoga sessions at different places. They also conduct antenatal yoga sessions and they are helping our society through yoga. We also conduct advanced medical yoga therapy course for yoga professionals, yoga teachers and doctors, and I feel good to hear from them about their experiences about healing their patients with this advanced medical yoga therapy. We also offer online yoga teacher training course which comprises of theoretical and practical sessions, which includes live interactive sessions and recorded sessions too. So after doing our yoga courses, I'm sure you will rediscover yourself. As we know, there are the well-known benefits of yoga like improving flexibility, improving posture. Also, through our yoga courses, you will learn to avoid injuries while doing asanas. As we all know, prevention is, of course, better than cure. With our yoga courses, you will deepen your yogic practice. It will take your yoga practice to a whole new level. Before teaching yoga to anyone else, it's very necessary to learn and practice breathing techniques, meditation, and connect with your inner self. And with our course, you will learn to take yoga beyond physical asana aspects. You will discover it as a lifestyle. It gives a sense of fulfillment to our students who experience physical, mental, and psychological transformation. It will help you to bring about overall wellness. As we all know, yoga has become a global phenomenon and its influence is definitely increasing. And as more and more people discover health benefits of yoga, the need of a certified yoga professional, a certified yoga teacher will keep growing, as our goal is to spread awareness of our ancient wisdom, of our holistic science, Ayurveda and yoga for the total well-being of mankind. Make Ayurveda and yoga a part of your daily regimen and live a healthy and happy life. Thank you.